Welcome to Chapter 10, Section 4, Area of Triangles. So, to get started, we're going to, as usual, come up with a formula. The formula for the area of a triangle can be written two ways. The area is equal to the base times the height divided by 2. Or the area is equal to half of the base times height. So you can go about this a number of different ways. They still are the exact same thing except written a little tiny bit differently. Also, please understand something about what a triangle is. A triangle like this, a right triangle, we know that the base is the bottom part and the height is from the base straight up to the top vertice. The problem comes into play when you have a triangle that is not a right triangle, something that might be more like this. Because the base is still the base. It's still this piece right here. That's still the base. But the height is a little bit different. The side length is not always going to be the height. So what you have to take into account is the fact that you need to know what the distance is from the base straight up vertically to the top vertice. So looking here, the base we know by counting and you find the measure of the base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. So replace 5b with 5 and 8 with h. Plug in those numbers, base times height. Well, 5 times 8 is 40. And then 40 divided by 2 is 20. So the area of the triangle is 20 units squared. All right, this is one of those special problems. We do not know the height, or I'm sorry, we actually don't know the side length, but we're not looking at this length. We're looking at how far is it from here to that point there. It should be the same as that. So the base, 16. The height is 8. So we plug those numbers in, 16 times 8 divided by 2. Well, 16 times 8, 48, 8 and 4, 128. We then simplify, and we're done. So the area of the triangle is 64 centimeters squared. All right, let's find it for these. It's still half of the base times height. So for A, my base, 1, 2, 3. My height, 6. So half of 3 times 6, that's half of 18, which is 9 units squared. Part B, it's still the area equals half base times height. The base is 6. The height is 4. So half of the base times the height is half of 24, which is 12 inches squared. All you're doing is remembering formulas and plugging in the numbers. All right. Ari cut out a banner in the shape of a triangle. What is the area of the banner? Well, here is a triangular banner. We know the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. We know the base looks like 12. The height is to be 6. So 12 times 6 divided by 2. 12 times 6, 72 over 2. Divide is 36. So there are 36 square inches, or 36 square inches written like that. That's it. You're plugging the numbers into a formula. So Rachel decides a triangular pennant. So I'm going to draw a triangle here. There's a triangular pennant. It says that the pennant is 9 inches in height. So from here down to here is 9 inches. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry about that. We kind of jumped around a little bit. Please make sure you get these down. I don't remember when the video stopped, but base was 9, height was 25. Base was 9, height was 25. Plug the numbers in, base and height, multiply, and simplify. So the CYUs are 1 through 4, and these are the problems.